Tilana. The combination of many swaras and jatis is presented last in the magam or the sequence of presentation. The sheer austerity, including an enormous test of the dancer's stamina, stability, and endurance, is what makes this composition as important and mesmerizing as Mangala Aarti in Natya. The joyful nature and rhythmic beats create the perfect ending to all margams. Kumari Hetanchi and Kubari Shobhana now present Parasthillana in the praise of goddess Rajarajeshwari. Composer Ramanathapuram Puchi Srinivas Iyengar, Raga Paras set to Adi Tala and choreographed by Srimati Rukmini Devi Arundel.
Dhirana ತೊಂತ ಧೀರನ ತನೊಂದನ ತದಿರ ದಿರನ ದೀಂ ತದಿ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ದನನ ದಿರನ ದಿರನ ತನೊಂದನ ತದಿರ ದಿರನ ದೀಂ ತದಿ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ದನನ ದಿರನ ದಿರನ ತನೊಂದನ ತದಿರ ದಿರನ ದೀಂ ತದಿ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ದನನ ದಿರನ ದಿರನ ತನೊಂದನ ತದಿರ ದಿರನ ದೀಂ ತದಿ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ದನನ ದಿರನ ದಿರನ ತನೊಂದನ ತದಿರ ದಿರನ ದೀಂ ತದಿ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ದನನ ದಿರನ ದಿರನ ತನೊಂದನ ತದಿರ ದಿರನ ದಿ ತದಿ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ದನನ ದಿರನ ದಿರನ ತನೊಂದನ ತದಿರ ದಿರನ ದಿ ತದಿ ದೀಂ ದೀಂ ದನನ ದಿರನ ದಿರನ ತದೀಂ ದೀಂ ದನನ ದಿರನ ದೀಂ ತದಿ ದೀದ್ರಾಂ ಕಿಡದಗ ಜಣುತಗ ಕಿಡದಗ ಜಣುತಗ ಕಿಡದಗ ಜಣುತಗ ತನ್ನೋಂ ತನತ ದಿರನ ನಾದೃದೃ ತಾನಿ ತೊಂತ ದಿರನ ದೃದೃ ತಾನೋಂ ತನತ ದಿರನ ನಾದೃದೃ ತಾನಿ ತೋಂತ ದಿರನ ರಾಮನಾಥಪುರ ಪಾಲಕುಡಂ ಮುತ್ತುರಾಮಲಿಂಗ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ವಿಭುನಿ ಅಭಿರಾಮಿರಯಮುಗಾ ರಕ್ಷಿಣು ಭೂಮಿ ವಾರಾಹಿ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ರಾಮನಾಥಪುರ ಪಾಲಕುಡಂ ಮುತ್ತುರಾಮಲಿಂಗ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ವಿಭುನಿ ಅಭಿರಾಮಿರಯಮುಗಾ ರಕ್ಷಿಣು ಭೂಮಿ ವಾರಾಹಿ ರಾಜರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಶಂಕರಿ ಧಾಂ ತಕಿಟ ನಿರಿಸನಿ ತಕದಿಮಿ ತಕಜಂ ಗಮಗಗ ತಕಿಟಜಂ ತರಿದಾಂ ತಕಿಟ ನಿರಿಸನಿ ತಕದಿಮಿ ತಕಜಂ ಗಮಗಗ ತಕಿಟಜಂ ತರಿತಜಂ ಜಂ ಮಗರಿ ತಕಿಟಜಂ ತರಿದ ಧನಿ ಸರಿ ಸಮಗರಿ ಸನಿದ ತದಿಗಿಡ ತೊಂತನೋಂ ತನತ ದಿರನ ಆದೃ ತಾನಿ ತೋಂತ ಧೀರನ.
अंत भला तो सब भला. And Tillana never disappoints in giving us that beauteous ending to our Margams. As promised, that beautiful Tillana concludes our 3 student presentations of Bharatnatyam today. But we are not done just yet. There is something still cooking up, and no, it is not the snacks. It is a very special performance on the most important knowledge, the knowledge of the Vedas. But before the performance, I would like to hand over the mic to Udayana once more to give us a short intro about our today's special performer.
Thanks, children. You evoked a sense of entanglement and immersion through your graceful performance. Your hard work and passion shone in every step, literally, making the program truly mesmerizing. A well-established poetic convention, which I mentioned, Manjira, Manasa, Hamsa, and their attraction, captivation, allurement turned out to be true in everyone's experience today. Congratulations on a splendid show to you and to your Natya Guru, Doritaka. A round of applause.